Yeah, this place has some pretty spectacular drop-offs as we get hike along the top of the cliff here overlooking the Columbia River. Yeah, this trail here, I think it gets somewhat like moderate hiking pressure, so not really sure. This may end up being one where I don't really talk a lot, and we just hike and, you know, taking the scenery, so to speak. I definitely, hopefully can take up the drone later. It's pretty windy right now. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, one problem that I have with a lot of people hiking on the trail is I hate to get caught talking to the camera. I don't know why. It's just a thing that I have, and I don't know. I think I'm just a private person, and, you know, just hate getting caught talking to the camera. So don't know why. Just me. Okay, we found these yellow Fritillary. It's that time of year. They're just on these dry, sandy hillsides. Okay, we see some Balsamroot here. Nice. I believe it is Carey's Balsamroot. Set the camera down. Okay, here is looking back down from the way we've come. And we'll keep going. We're getting close to the dunes now, I think. So it's a little harder. Can't put the tripod down. So it may not be perfectly steady. Okay, we're on the dunes. But got some people ahead of us, so there's gonna be footprints on them. It's okay. I mean, that's the way it goes. See sand blowing off the top of the dunes up there. Check that out in a minute. Wow, here too. Hopefully I capture that. Whew. Oh. I got a face full of sand. Wow. Okay, the wind is like really blowing up here. I'm getting like sand in my face and in my eyes, but anyway, it's pretty cool. sand and everything. Boots, shirt, pack. Oh man. Wow. Put the camera down. So we got the people, we're like in the queue, so to speak. We're heading toward the second dunes. There's people on the second dunes, and then we have people behind us on the first set of dunes. I was hoping to fly the drone. I'm not really sure. We'll see how it goes. Just hoping that I can get an empty patch of dune. Okay. See the second dune up there, up ahead. It's it's not that steep, you know. A little winded because of the softness of the sand. You see, kind of, man, I got. Okay, here we are. We're making our way to the top. Oh boy. Okay, taking a break, catch a shadow on the dune lip. Almost made it to the top. Blowing sand is brutal. Gets in your mouth, your eyes. I guess that's it right there. Made it to the top. Boy, I really want to take my drone up, but it's really windy out here. Oh. Okay, out there in front of us, it's the Columbia River and the Hanford site out there, the Hanford Reserve, and then we got the way down at the end, we got that first dune we were on earlier. See if I can pick up the sparkles in the sand here. Looks like when sun is on the snow. Okay, well, I think I'm going to gonna wrap this up. It's been great out here on these dunes this morning. The weather is gorgeous, and It was looked like it might be a little crowded, but it ended up we pretty much had the dunes all to ourselves out here, so can't complain. Like I said, in the future I may find some spots that look like they're fairly interesting or beautiful, and then using a topo map and a compass and navigating and bushwhacking and from there. So if you guys want to see something like that, be sure to let me know, and I'll give it a try. Try not to get lost. Anyway, oh, here comes some sand. Oh. All right, well, if you guys like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. I appreciate all my subscribers a great deal. It means a lot to me, and I will see you next time.